Look, I want to make one quick statement about cost because this comes up really often and guys keep saying, well, I thought testosterone was cheap. Why am I paying this? Look.
James Gosla, he just said, I heard Dr. Grant say test is cheap. He said,
Yeah.
from a doc, question mark, or from an online source. If you're in the States, what site? He said, because here, which I don't know where here is, it cost me $300 a month at a clinic that was with HCG and Arimidex. He says he has VA insurance. They want me to go off for a few, They want me to go off for a few weeks to get tested again and then throw me on the cream. Why? God, don't.
All right, James, let's keep this real short. Get rid of that clinic.
Yeah.
Just
and don't go to the VA either.
And don't go to the VA. The VA is going to butcher you. Look, I want to make one quick statement about cost because this comes up really often and guys keep saying, well, I thought testosterone was cheap. Why am I paying this? Look, I can't speak for anyone else. This is how we work in our clinic. Testosterone cypionate in the United States is extremely inexpensive. Depending on the pharmacy and the negotiated rate, whether you're a consumer or you're a clinic, it's going to range between $20 and $40 for 10 ml. Okay, 10 ml is going to last 3 to 4 months, depending on your prescribed dose. That is not the cost of treatment. Okay, that is not the cost of treatment. For me to say how much is testosterone, oh, it's $40. Oh, it's on GoodRx. Oh, it's $5 with my insurance. That would be like me going to my attorney, who charges $750 an hour, and saying, how much does it cost for you to type up a contract? I found a pen that can last me the whole ink that you're going to use to write the contract, and it's $3. So if I bring you a $3 pen, will you write a contract for me? What you're paying for is supervision, management, oversight, and experience on how to manage your protocol correctly. A vast majority of what you're paying should go to the salaries of the providers, the supporting staff, the rent, the lights, the insurance, and the ability to remain open and service you when you need the help. If you think that your TRT treatment is about the HCG and cypionate cost from the pharmacy, then you're going about this all wrong. Because if you want to self-manage, go to your family doctor who knows nothing about TRT, ask him to write you a script, take it to GoodRx, spend $40, and for $200 a year, you got your TRT. You're going to have to rely on some guys on Facebook telling you how to optimize and how to treat things when they go wrong. You want to have someone in your back pocket that you can pick up the phone and call and say, what's going on with this? What's going on with that? You want to be able to have a 30-minute conversation at will, or have labs done and have things explained to you and have an education process about your treatment, not as a blanket policy, but by your own specific situation and your own health. That is where your money is going. So again, TRT is not expensive, and I don't think that it's expensive even with everything I just said. Expense comes down to value. We all vote with our wallets on our priorities. So we're very quick to run out to the bar and leave a $100 bill for a bucket of wings and a couple of beers while watching a football game. But if we had to spend that at the end of the month on having our health optimized, all of a sudden we call it expensive. So again, this is not criticism. This is just telling you realistically where your money's going. And if you feel that you don't value that enough, that is totally cool. Go and get your script, get on GoodRx and spend $40 on a vial. But understand, it's not the upcharge of the medication. We provide medication free of charge. We pay for your medication for you. You're paying to have us in your back pocket on call to oversee and manage what it is that you're doing. So that's my last word on that.
And you guys though are rare, because a lot of these chop shops, they'll still charge the same as you guys do, but they don't provide any service. Right?
Look what he just wrote: $300 a month, T, HCG, and an anastrozole. Yeah. I mean, I've heard all I need to know. This is a cookie cutter approach. Right. It's literally, how many guys could we get in this week, do them all the same, send them out the door, charge them every month, and go on next week and get 15 more. That's all it is. This is like a car dealership.
Yep.
All right. Everybody gets the same with the extended warranty.
Yep.
All right. And this is not what your health is about.
No, you pay for what you value, and there's good value in places like you. I'm weird, right? My situation is not.
You're normal. A hybrid. You're a hybrid. I mean, you're not a TRT clinic,
right?
But you're extremely knowledgeable, passionate, and caring, and you happen to be able to see someone as a urology visit, and then say, "Look, here's what I recommend for you," and then call me and let me know if you need
Yeah, I mean, I
additional
talk
help.
to guys on Messenger all the time, right, on Facebook, which I should. I mean, it's, you know, my wife kills me. She's like, "You're not getting paid for that," you know. I like it, and one day that's probably going to change, right? I'm not going to have enough time to just answer everything for free, because we should be compensated for our time, right? And a lot of guys, I mean, it's not
It's
jerks
not
about it.
just that. I mean, I won't do Facebook Messenger for this stuff because it's not a HIPAA platform. They have to, you know, if they have a quick question that's general, great.
Yeah.
If they start sending 15 pages of labs and
Oh
stuff,
no. Yeah.
listen, you're going to go through the clinic, you're going to sign informed patient consent forms, and you're going to be treated as a patient. You're not going to be, you know, we're not going to be doing this over Facebook. And again, it comes down to what guys value. And you know, you get bombarded with the same messages as I do. I'm happy to help everyone, but it needs to be done in a formal, safe, and legal manner. We can't just act like cowboys and just say, look, based on what I see, go ahead and try this, try that. It's not, you know, because when everything goes great, you're the hero, but when it goes bad, you're going to be liable for it. So it's not how it's done.
Yeah, I agree.
Great advice, guys. Thank you so much for everything, for covering all the topics and questions. Hey, I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you want to learn a ton more about hormone optimization, do this next. Click on one of these videos and I'll see you there.